She poured some black pepper into the washing machine. When she took out her clothes, she was shocked by the effects. Our grandmothers had a home remedy for every problem. They didn't have to reach for detergents and chemical cleaners to remove the dried dirt from the oven, the stubborn stain or rust from the bathtub. Today we need a ready-made solution from the store for almost everything. One product cleans the windows, the second cleans pans, the third the floor, and the fourth the rugs. Before, it was enough to have some basic cleaning products at home: baking soda, vinegar, lemon and salt. These 4 simple ingredients dealt with almost everything, and most importantly they were cheap and easy to find. Today we're presenting some of Grandma's methods for more efficient washing. Just drop a few ingredients from the kitchen into the washing machine to get incredible results. What should you use exactly? Keep reading below. Lemon, if you want to slightly whiten your clothes and make them soft and free of detergent, add lemon juice to your laundry. Vinegar. Vinegar has similar effects to lemon. It removes detergent residue and acts as a softener for clothes. In addition, it has a stain-removing and neutralizing effect on the smell of cigarette smoke. Just pour a glass of vinegar into your washing machine and wait for the results. You don't have to worry about your clothes having a biting scent. It will definitely disappear during the wash. Pepper. This is not a joke. This kitchen spice can also be added to your laundry. How does it work? It helps you keep the color of your clothes intense and prevents fading. In addition, pepper will remove the white paint from detergent. All you have to do is pour a teaspoon of ground pepper into the washer, add the mild detergent and set it for the lowest possible temperature. Salt. To get the same effect as with pepper, pour about 90 grams of salt into your washer. The colors will stay intense longer and white streaks will disappear in the blink of an eye. Coffee. Coffee is a natural dye that works great with dark clothes. Instead of coffee, you can also use black tea. Pour 2 cups into the washer and watch as your faded clothes regain